What does a futuristic washing machine look like? Like this Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry washing machine. With its slim design and AI wash cycle, this 12 kg front load washing machine gives the ultimate cleaning of our clothes. This video is made in collaboration with Samsung, who sent me the Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine to experience and demo. Let's first talk about the size and the wash programs. This is a 12 kg front load washing machine with 24 wash programs for different types of clothing including cotton, synthetics, delicates, active wear, mixed fabrics amongst others. Whether we are washing large bed linens, comforters or quilts, this 12 kg washing machine can accommodate it all. The large size helps to do more laundry at once, saving time in doing our laundry. For example, if your frequency of washing is every day, now due to the larger size, you can do it once in 3 to 4 days, which is a relief. We can also reduce overloading of the machine, which impacts the wash quality. In spite of its 12 kg large capacity, this Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry washing machine is sleek, taking less space in our laundry area. Many of us have a few preferred programs that we always use. The AI control in this washing machine learns our habits over time and shows those preferred programs first before other programs, making it very easy to select. When we are short on time, this machine has a super speed program that washes the laundry in just 39 minutes. It does this by reducing the rinse time by using a speed spray and fastening the spin speed. If you use synthetic clothes which typically have microfibers, regular wash cycles cause such clothes to remove microplastics, leading to faster wear and tear. This bespoke AI washing machine has a less microfiber program that helps to reduce the microplastics released by synthetic clothes, thereby increasing the longevity of our clothes. In addition, we can manage, control, and download additional cycles or create custom programs using the SmartThings app. This bespoke AI front load washing machine has an AI energy mode in the SmartThings app, which lets us to easily check the power consumed and estimated electricity bill. Watch my detailed video that I've linked in the description where I describe the various app capabilities for a Samsung front load washing machine. Let's now talk about the cleaning efficiency. This Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry washing machine is way smarter than others by helping us to remove frequent decision making while doing our laundry. The AI does the thinking for us. Till now, many of us generally use a rule of thumb of 60 to 75% of the drum size to determine the maximum load to make sure we don't overload it. Not anymore. The AI wash uses advanced 5-step sensing to detect the weight, softness, and level of soiling of the fabric to intelligently optimize the amount of water and detergent required and the soaking, rinsing, and spinning times. A frequent challenge we face while using the washing machine is how much detergent to use for optimal cleaning. This washing machine can hold up to 930 ml of detergent and 530 ml of fabric softener within the machine and has an auto dispenser that uses the right amount of detergent and fabric softener based on the amount and type of load in the machine. The Eco Bubble technology has been in Samsung washing machines for a while to help remove stains and retain the color and texture of our clothes. With the AI Eco Bubble technology, this machine takes it a step further. It is now able to recognize different fabrics and optimize the wash cycle based on many data patterns. With this, it is able to remove soil and protect clothes better than before. With its bespoke AI capabilities, this futuristic Samsung front-load washing machine makes laundry extremely convenient. With the SmartThings app and home care, we can manage, control, diagnose, and care for our washing machine at the click of a button. Packed with a 20-year warranty on the motor, this Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry washing machine helps to make our lives less hectic and laundry hygienically clean. If you found this video useful, consider sharing it and commenting on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.